Some 3 million households in the Philippines do not have access to energy. Many are living in island communities where sources of income are scarce. Most of them use kerosene lamps for lighting. A poor Filipino household with an average income of 200 pesos per day spends 10% of their income on lighting alone. They are left with 180 pesos for food and other basic needs. The archipelagic nature of the Philippines makes it difficult to connect to one main grid. So, decentralizing the system is ideal. One way to do it is using solar energy. It has mature technology and ease of installation and use. We have a high generation potential from the sun. But with the tight income of an average Filipino home, the initial investment required for a solar energy system remains a huge barrier. The country is still dependent on fossil fuels.
And then there's the country's rising middle class sitting on a wealth of untapped financing source. They are choosing to save their money with majority interested in earning from these savings. However, it forms a very small capital for which conventional investment tools available cannot offer significant returns. But when pulled together, this small capital can have considerable impact. And that's where we at People Powered come in.
The idea behind is simple. Small-scale solar energy systems will be financed by pooling small capital contributions from individual investors. Use of the systems will be charged a reasonable amount, enough to provide long-term, better-than-market returns to its investors. It is a bottom-to-bottom approach to financing the energy needs of marginalized Filipinos.
Our team has the competence, passion, and commitment to make People Powered happen. We have seen the world as part of the corporate machinery, as volunteers in off-grid communities, as travelers appreciating the beauty of nature, and as entrepreneurs thriving in the uncomfortable, driven by the idea of change. We at People Powered dream to bring light to every Filipino home.